Flow measurement is possible using different working principles. Some common types are magnetic inductive, ultrasonic, vortex, or thermal type. Each has its own advantages and challenges. Thermal type flow sensors are very popular because of its availability in immersion type mounting, which makes it easy to install. It can be used with a wide range of pipe sizes and is a cost-effective alternative when compared to some other types which are mostly inline mounted. But it is challenging to get a linearized output with a defined accuracy. TURCK has achieved this in the new FS501 immersion type flow measuring sensor. It measures flow velocity and volumetric flow in pipe sizes ranging from 15 to 250 mm. It also measures temperature. Both flow and temperature outputs are freely configurable as analog or switching signals. FS501 also comes with high-link smart sensor profile and some exciting new functions like single value teach, dynamic teach, totalizer, and a teach monitor function available with TURCK Automation Suite. The existing customers with a large installation base of FS101 flow monitoring sensor can now also opt for FS501 in applications requiring flow measurement.